came up to the point over in Pontypridd. There are two areas we went to. One is in Pontypridd overlooking the Devil's Tooth and this mountain. And when we took photographs of this mountain, there was a UFO in the photographs, and it was overlooking Abercynon village. And what happened was that we came over here and a black helicopter went over our heads, so unmarked helicopter went over our heads. So then we came over to here and I took a load of paranormal photographs, but there were two UFO photographs included in them, one after the other.
And can you describe what that UFO looked like? It
was like a tanker, huge. It was not circular, like a round shape at all, more like tubes coming out of it. And it is the same description that a pilot saw in October that same year. When he described it, it's not like you think it's going to take off the ground. You know, it's not our technology. It's too big and cumbersome.
So it wasn't like a flying saucer then?
The second photograph we took, and they were taken moments apart, it was then changed into more of a circular, sort of like flying saucer shape. But they were only taken moments apart. In the first photograph, there's like a beam of light coming down, which is, you could say is, you know, something to do with the photograph, but it's a purple beam of light coming down from the sky, and the actual UFO is to the side of it. And then in the second photograph, the beam of light is gone, and all you see is this round saucer shape. We took several photographs that day. There was one of what we call a phenomenon of orbs, you know, and loads of those, and energy lines and lights and everything.
So do you see a lot of UFOs in the South Wales valleys?
The first one I saw was over 20 years ago, and that was in Robina in Cardiff. I lived there. We went to bed about 11, 12 o'clock at night, and I called Chris over and I said, look at this, we overlook the school in Helanis and Fach. And there was a triangle shape with three lights, and that's the last memory I've got. The next memory I've got is actually of waking up on top of the bed, not in the bed, but I've got no memory of going to bed. And that was the first UFO I saw, yes, but we've seen many since.